In today's tutorial, I'll guide you on how to use AI to sing your own original songs using a cloned version of your voice. It's a simple and user-friendly process, perfect for beginners to easily grasp and follow along. So, first up, we're gonna get GPT to help us craft the lyrics. All we need to do is come up with a theme, like love, life, scenery, or whatever floats your boat. This time around, I'm having GPT whip up a song about the office workers longing for a vacation. GPT is gonna churn out these lyrics based on the theme, and it's gonna be all professional, with verses, a chorus, a bridge, and an ending all neatly packaged. In just a few seconds, bam, the lyrics are done. Then we just hit that copy button and paste the whole shebang. And there you have it. Step 1, done and dusted. Super easy, right? All right, let's dive into step 2. We're heading over to Suno.com and we're skipping all the sign up and login jazz. We're going straight to the create page. Let's hit up the custom mode and check out the latest Suno v3.5 model description. It says, supports better song structure, capable of generating up to about 4 minutes of audio. That's pretty cool, right? Next, all we gotta do is copy those lyrics we whipped up with GPT and paste them into the lyrics section. Remember, the max here is 3,000 characters, not words, so keep it tight. There's this instrumental button that, if you flip it on, will generate some sweet instrumental tracks without any lyrics. But that's not what we're about today. What's really important is the style of music. I've got a bunch of handy style prompts in the description for you to check out. Before you hit the generate button, input your favorite genre, like pop or rock, vocals like male, female, or choir, and the mood of the song, like uplifting or energetic. I've put all the style prompts I know in the description, so feel free to grab them if you need them. Once you've got all that bass info in, just hit create, and Suno will generate 2 tracks for you to pick from. Choose the one that speaks to you, download it, and get ready to rock out in our cover session. Haha, here we go, the moment we've all been waiting for. It's time to use AI to swap out the vocals and sing our original song in our own voice. First up, log in to MyVocal.ai and clone your voice. You can do this by recording online or uploading an audio file. The minimum you need is just 1 minute of audio to get your voice cloned. If you're not sure how to do it, check out my previous video for a walkthrough. In about 3 to 5 minutes, your cloned voice will be ready to go. Now let's head straight to the AI cover page and upload that song we just downloaded. Wait a few more minutes and voila! The song's vocals will be transformed into our own. Super easy, right? I've got a little secret to share. I've personally tested it, and the cover songs can pass Spotify's verification without any issues for the time being, proving that the voice is yours and the song is original. Okay, without further ado, let's enjoy the cover song and see if it sounds like me. Haha. See you all in the next episode.
Waking up to the sounds of the alarm. Another day in the cubicle swarm. Counting hours, feeling the grind. There's a light that's starting to shine. Emails, meetings, deadlines to chase, but something's bringing a smile to my face. I see the calendar, it's coming soon. A break from the mundane, a holiday tune. We're dreaming of the holiday, oh so near. A time to relax, no stress, no fear. The sun is calling, the skies are clear. Office blues will disappear. Coffee breaks with a distinct taste, thinking about those carefree days. No more hustle, no more rush, just lazy mornings, no alarm clock to hush. From spreadsheets to sandy shores, vacation vibes, we want more. Just packing bags, we're on our way to leave behind the workday green. We're dreaming of the holiday, oh so near. A time to relax, no stress, no fear. The sun pursuits. Trade our ties for beachside views. Laughter and joy, the simple things. Freedom, fun, song it sings. We're chilling at the holiday, oh so near. The times to relax, no stress, no fear. The sun is calling, the skies are clear. Our face blues will disappear. So hold on tight, it won't be long. We'll be singing that holiday song. Office workers, just wait and see. The holiday is our key. We're dreaming of a holiday, oh so near. A time to relax, no stress, no fear. The sun is calling, the skies are clear. Office blues will disappear. The